Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MAINGEAR pre-built NV9 and Zero Drop PCs with MSI backside connector motherboard. So friend, MAINGEAR has introduced its brand new pre-built gaming PCs with MSI's backside connector motherboards in a clutter-free PC design. So friend, backside connectors and connector-less design are taking the PC industry by storm. We have seen several products throughout 2023 adopt this design, and it looks like the next step will be adoption of these new features by system integrators, with MAINGEAR leading the charge, and the company is redefining the PC experience with its new MGRC design, which are a collaboration between the company and the likes of MSI and Phanteks, who will be the leading suppliers of PC components such as motherboards, cases, and graphics card for these PC builds. The company has two builds planned up for 2024. First up is fully functional MAINGEAR Zero Drop, which is made up of two MSI's Pano M1000 PZ white chassis and MSI B760M Project Zero motherboard. The motherboard is designed with backside connector plus the new Pano M1000 PZ chassis complements this design by offering support for such motherboards with the proper rear-ended cutouts. And friend, the MAINGEAR Zero Drop is centered around the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 Super Series with the 4070 Ti Super making its way in this design, and the Zero will drop on the 24th January and initial supplies will be limited. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.